Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Lavanya.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for joining call. Could you please tell me for yourself and your roles and responsibilities?
Okay. My name is Lavanya. I have 4 years experience in performance testing and using LoadRunner and JMeter. Experience in protocols like HTTP and HTML. Involved in all major enhancements like correlation, parameterization. In scripting point of view, creating scripts and executing performance test scenarios from performance center.
Okay. So you are good in LoadRunner and JMeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So, like, what is the performance testing life cycle?
Performance testing lifecycle, there is a POC, proof of concept, NFR, test
Okay.
plan, workload model, scripting and enhancements, test data,
Okay.
design the scenarios and executing the scenarios,
Okay.
analysis, scripting, reporting and recommendation.
Okay. Good. What is the POC?
As a part of a POC, I will try to identify what kind of application is this and what kind. Sorry, sir. Just give me a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Take.
As part of POC, I will try to understand the what kind of application is this, which technology they use it to develop the application, and which mechanism they use it to develop the application and complexity of the application. As part of POC, I am going to record business scenarios
Okay.
and execute with minimal users and report this to the client.
Okay.
Based on the POC, client has to understand which protocol he needs to buy, which tool is compatible to use this application, and how many labor hours to finish this application.
Okay. Okay. What are the non-functional requirements?
We have to prepare NFR document with the help of business analyst or team project people. NFR contains a CBT, critical business transactions, peak hours, half peak hours, average response times, hardware threshold statistics like memory heap swapping, and CPU. After that, we need to check what kind of test we need to perform in terms of serviceability, availability,
Okay.
recoverability, abnormality, and spike. After prepare NFR document, we have to get it approved by project team and network team, infrastructure team, and stakeholders.
Okay. What are the you told right CBTs. What are the CBTs? Nothing but.
Critical business transaction. It means application is in a peak hours and peak hours business. Many users using application.
Okay. 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 What are the peak hours? Off peak hours?
Peak hours means sometime users used application more.
Okay.
That time is called peak hours.
Okay. So what is the heap
Mm,
utilization and swapping you told right? What are those? What we can gather?
I need to recall, sir.
Okay. Okay. No worry. Yeah. So who will provide these non-functional requirements?
Actually, client, if a client doesn't know, doesn't have a NFR document, then we have to take the with the help of business analyst or team
Okay.
project people.
Okay. So it is application is production, huh? Right? Then you will get from the team or someone, right? Maybe application not in production. Then how to you can gather non-functional documents?
Using network traffic utilities and get the competitor statistics, and try to identify NFR document half peak hours, number of transactions per hour, and from which region they are accessing the location, how many page views are happening, and what are the average response times we need to calculate.
Okay, so this will be like if you have the traffic monitoring, otherwise maybe it is a application already in production. As times to the you have competitor only can. If you don't have competitor also, then
Then we try to speak with the developer,
okay,
and we have to understand the and convert into online business. By converting, we have to identify peak hours, half peak hours, and the average response time, and we need to conduct baseline test to derive SLA.
okay, okay, good, good. Okay, so like in test data, right? For example, like I want from the like 20,000 data. So how you will be prepare data and how to you'll get data where you can get?
I will try to ask a project people, or if
Maybe
you
they
have
told
a,
as a we are also new. We also don't know from that test data. Then
when we collect the document, NFR document.
okay, NFR document. It's a NFR document. Only you have the like what are the requirements like CBTs and these all things only will be there. Test data will be not there. Then if it is a NFR, see already you explained right. NFR it is not content test data will be not there. Only for business flow and everything will be there. Okay.
Okay.
So how we can prepare the test data? Okay, no worry. Yeah.
For understanding the application,
Yes.
for understanding the application objectives of the test, and items and item scope of items, the procedure, approach, deliverables, roles and responsibilities.
No, no, no. I am asking about, see, simple I am asking. I want to execute 100 users. I want from the 100 username password. So where we can get those data like username and passwords. Example. Okay, I given from the example also for you.
Okay.
Okay, okay, no worry. Yeah. So then moving to the like in the like in PD lifecycle, right? We have workload model also is there. What is the workload model?
It is the heart of the all the document which will lead you what to test the application and how to test the application. Workload model contains CBTs and business flow of CBT and types of testing, and load distribution. While preparing workload model, we have to consider pacing and think time calculation to generate anticipated load.
Okay. So who will prepare this workload model? Yeah, okay. So then moving to the like scripting part. Okay. So what are the scripting challenges you faced as of now?
Sir, I don't read these
Oh,
topics.
yeah, yeah. Okay, no, no worry. Okay. So like now we'll go to the like what is correlation?
Correlation is the concept to handle the dynamic values which is generating from server side.
Okay, nothing but only in correlation only will get from the server side dynamic values.
Yes, sir.
Only server side you will get or application side also we can.
Only server side.
Okay, application side also, right? See, for example, we have the some application, you have the drop downs will be there. So what will happen? User to user, it will changing. So you
Okay.
should handle from the those also, right? So we have the like dynamic values could be in server side as well as in application side also. Okay, then good. So how many ways we can do for the correlation?
Manual correlation, auto correlation.
Okay. What is the manual correlation process?
Manually we have to handle the dynamic values. In this we will record the same business scenario twice with two sets of data, compare both of them using testcompare.com. Those
Okay.
values reported differently, those values will be considered as dynamic values.
Okay. So, like every time you are doing from the this comparison,
No.
then how you can identify dynamic value?
uh, it is different value, unique
Okay.
value.
Yeah, yeah. See, already you are a good experience, right? By seeing also, you know, from that this value we can do from the correlation. So because when you are initial time only, you don't know from the which is the dynamic value, but you are already experienced with 4 or 5 years means, so you are good, but you should be know that okay, this is the dynamic value. Without comparing also you will be know. Okay, so that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, like so this is the find the dynamic value. Okay, then next what is the process?
Dynamic value process.
Okay, after find the now I'm asking about correlation process. Okay, we are find the dynamic value using from the like you told right, compare this. Oh, that's fine. Then next.
Copy the dynamic value, go to generation log, and identify first occurrence of the value.
Okay,
Then we will identify.
boundaries. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so but you need to write anything for function.
Mm, means you are asking where to write the function.
No, no, I'm asking about function. If you are writing any function, you are doing from the correlation means we need to write from the something, right? Like
Yeah,
boundaries.
WebRig. Yeah, WebRig finder say param.
Web break save param. Okay.
WebRig save param, parameter name, right boundary, left boundary, right boundary, and last.
Okay. So apart from this left boundary, right boundary, we have the different arguments also, right? Do you know from those arguments?
No.
Ordinal, save length, save offset. You do you know?
Yeah, ordinal all your parameter. Ordinal all means your parameter become an array. It holds the all the values like a parameter one, parameter two, all the values like parameter n.
Okay. So what is the save length?
It allow to specify some characters. Specify the some characters from the dynamic value.
Okay.
Specific characters.
Okay. It will specify the how many characters it's supposed to capture. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the save offset?
Save offset means it is supposed to skip the
How many
characters from the
characters?
dynamic
Okay.
values.
Okay. That's good. Okay. So next question, like maybe we have the one more argument is a convert will be there. Which purpose we can use convert?
Mm, don't know, sir.
Okay. What is the search is equal to default value? You are not passed
It
the
is
argument search. Okay, it is a default value will be there. What is that?
search default. It is an optimization technique. We have to instruct the user to search left bound and right boundary from dynamic value.
Okay. Okay, look, like it's a search is equal to it's a body or header means your dynamic value contain in the header or maybe body. So if it is a body means no need to specify this search is equal to body because that is the default value.
Okay.
But the value is a dynamic value in the between the header, then you should be mentioned from the like search is equal to header. It's clear, right? Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, now in correlation point of view, like I given from the left boundary, right boundary, correct. Okay. But unable to capturing the dynamic value, I am getting from the error. So what is the issue?
Invalid left boundary or right boundary.
Maybe boundaries are given correct only.
Then maybe you are trying to give more than 256 characters.
Okay.
Function location might be wrong. Maybe dynamic value itself not available in
No, no, no.
the.
I'm asking that like exactly I'm asking if it's boundaries will be correct only. Okay. But I am unable to capturing from that. Okay. So already you explained right. LoadRunner variable it is occupied from the 256 bytes. Maybe
Yes.
the response content more than that. Okay. So then what you can do if it is more than 256 characters?
We if we have to capture load runner variable can hold 256 characters only. More than that, we need to allocate memory to the LR variable.
What is the function?
Website max HTML param
Length. Okay.
len.
Okay. See, for example, in my left boundary, right boundary is not present in the response. Then what is your approach?
Try to speak with the developer
Okay.
and try to identify why and how the dynamic value is generating, and take the same functionality of the code, and
Okay.
make it as an external VUGen,
Okay.
and call the function whenever you require dynamic value.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Maybe my left bound, right bound is keep on changing. What is your approach?
Use flag system, or use save offset argument.
Okay.
If it is alpha numeric, if it is digit change, we use a hash symbol. If
Okay.
it is numeric, we use cap symbol.
Okay.
Yeah, and other expression also we use regular expression,
Okay.
or we use a LR such as a string, and
Okay.
use a string token for the dynamic.
Tokenizer. What is the
Token.
LR says string?
Um, I need to recall, sir.
Okay. Okay. No worry. No worry. Yeah. What is string tokenizer? Do you know?
No, sir.
Okay, no worry. Okay. So now my question is, so like next will be like when I'm doing for the correlation, okay,
Mm.
uh, the special character there in the boundaries, then how do I can capture? Special
Mm.
characters nothing but percentage and at the rate. Okay, so this all will come into the percentile mode. Okay, so this all will be coming special characters. Okay, percentage, dollar, hash, okay, and symbol, star, oh, these all will be, oh, it will coming. So how do you can handle for those?
Don't know, sir.
Yeah, okay, using the regular expression you can handle. Okay, that's fine. Okay, no,
Okay.
next yeah, next thing, like how many functions we have to the correlation?
Um, Sir, functions I need to read, sir.
No, no, functions nothing but I'm asking about WebRex separum, and we have the WebRex separum EX, WebRex separum regexp, WebRex separum JSON, right? That ones I'm asking. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
okay,
what
okay.
I need to
Yeah,
read.
no worry. Yeah, it's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So we'll jump to the parameterization. What is the parameterization?
Static input to the server, whatever values we entered through keyboard, those values should be parameterized.
For example, you are entering from the every what you are entering through keyboard, all values should do the parameterization.
Uh, yes, no, sir, no.
Then,
Uh,
so
Sorry,
like,
yes.
so what is the mandatory data? you want, for example, username, password is just that is the mandatory thing. So
Yeah.
those values should do the maybe it's a first name, last name will be there. If you give anything also, it will no problem. So means what is the mandatory data will be there, those data only we can do from the parameterization. Okay.
Okay.
So like next question, like going to the parameterization, what are the parameter types?
File, date and time, iteration number, unique number, random, v
Okay.
user ID, group name, load generator, XML, table, and user defect.
What is the unique iteration? Unique iteration?
Unique iteration means pick uniquely means like one.
Okay. So date and time, right? So date and time, I want from the future date. For example, for today is date is the 7th. I want to book the ticket 10th. So how to you can handle this scenario?
Click on create parameter and select date and time.
Okay.
Um, Create or choose a parameter in parameter properties and click
Okay.
on OK.
Okay.
Choose offset. Choose
Okay.
offset and give number. Provide number of days.
Okay. Choose offset and provide number of days. Okay. But I want only working days. Then
Then choose a prior to date.
no, no, working days only. I'm asking about that. Only working days. Then you can check from the box working days only. Okay, maybe is a past date means I want from the past date. For example,
Prior to
today's
date.
7th. Okay,
Mm.
we can check from the period to check. Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. So what are the parameter properties?
Mm, Sequential, random, unique, each iteration, each occurrence, and once. Same line
Oh,
as some other parameter.
okay. What is the same line as other parameter?
In a scenario, there is a dependent data like a username and password. We
Oh,
have to pick associated value from second data file. Using same line as some other parameter option, we have to instruct the user to pick same row data point from second data file.
okay, that's good. Okay, so going to the next question. What is the unique each iteration?
Unique each iteration, if user has to pick any one data point, we have to follow the same data for each iteration and each occurrence.
Okay, that's fine. What is the each iteration? Just I'm asking about each iteration.
Each iteration update on every iteration.
Yes, it update the value every iteration. Okay. Occurrence.
Hmm, Occurrence is
In the question also answer is there. What you told as iteration, right? Same. It will update from the every occurrence.
okay.
Okay, occurrence nothing but in your script only the value content 3-4 times will be there.
Okay.
So the 3-4 times also it will change from the first time will be some value will pick, second time next different value, third time next. So within the iteration only it will be changed from the every occurrence.
Okay, value update on every
Every
occurrence.
occurrence, yes. What is the
Yeah.
once?
Once is one to one mapping. Once is if
Yeah, no, no.
user has to pick
Yeah,
every user has to pick any one point.
yes. So once nothing but for example if you are take from the anything sequential random whatever maybe, what will
Mm.
happen, first user will pick the okay first user and second user same, third user same, fourth. Okay, but second iteration and third iteration, fourth until 100 until nth iteration also it will pick from the first iteration what value is picked, it will continue from the nth iteration.
Okay.
That is the ones property. Okay, good. What is the random?
Random, yeah, every user has to pick randomly.
So my banking application, so my application is banking application, it is random is suitable for this application.
No.
Why? So random is a secure. See, for
No.
example, your bank account details will be there. If you given randomly, so my credential come to you and it is login. That is a valid thing.
No, sir.
So like random only unsecured applications, like some different apart from the insurance, banking, this right. Apart from this, you can use from the random. Sequential. What is the sequential?
Every user has to pick first data point.
Okay, sequential nothing but every user has to pick the first
First data.
data point. Okay, that's good. Okay, uh, going to the my application contains dependence value. How do we can do for the complex parameterization?
We can create a that file with multiple columns for dynamic value.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, next question. Like auto correlation. What is the auto correlation? What is the process of the auto correlation?
Automatically handle the dynamic values, record the script, replay the script, choose the design studio, click on dynamic value.
Okay.
That's it. And click on correlate button.
Okay, that's fine. So this is the auto correlation. Okay, we have the rules creation also will be there, right? How to you can create the rule and which purpose we can use that rule.
No, sir, I need to recall.
Okay, okay, no, yeah. So now next question in correlation. Okay,
Okay.
like so my unable to capture in the dynamic value. So it is failing. So what with the maybe issues? What kind of issues?
Mm,
No,
Repeat the question, sir.
no, no. I'm asking about you are done the correlation. Okay, it
Mm.
is failed. Maybe whatever. Maybe what kind of issues? Maybe you can find like boundaries. So we have the some different things we can observe, right? What are the things we can observe if correlation fails?
Inval- Invalid left boundary or right boundary.
Okay,
Function location might be wrong. Maybe you
okay,
are trying to capture more than 256 characters.
okay,
Maybe dynamic value itself not available in the response.
okay,
Yes, that's it.
okay. That's fine. Okay, yeah. Going to the next question. Like when you are trying to do the correlation, right?
Hmm.
What will happen means one of the dynamic value you are doing for the correlation, but you are unable to finding the maybe it's a LBA or whatever maybe it is missing. So you mostly you are spending from the there only 1 hour. So what will happen means your time will be waste. Actually, your lead asked to complete from the today EOD. Like today end of the day, you should complete the script. But you stuck in the one dynamic value place. You are spending from the entire day will be there. Then what will happen? Your lead will be scolded. How much percentage completed means you told as a 5%.
Okay.
Okay. Then to overcome that, what we can do?
I will do the auto correlations.
Okay, we have the warning you can give from the warning. Not found is equal. If you pass the
Mm.
warning, your script will be executed from the till.
Yeah, it's
Then what will happen? This will be warning will completed and you can do from the remaining correlation values. So end of the day you told as your team lead, I done from the 90%. So your lead will be satisfied because okay, it's a 90% is done. Okay, remaining 10%. That one will be tomorrow you can what is the issue you can identify and you can do from the that one value your script will be finished, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So going to the next question. When you are doing for the auto correlation, which function it will be generated. We are doing the auto correlation, right? Just you are clicking from the correlate button. So it is correlation happen. So which function will generate?
WebRig fine.
WebRig save param ex function.
Okay.
WebRig save param ex function. What is the difference between WebRig save param ex and WebRig save param? Both should be okay correlation function only. Okay, the difference is there is no different here also there also same, but in WebRig save param you are writing from the directly parameter in double colon, but in WebRig save param ex you need to give from the parameter name is equal to, you need to pass the parameter name.
Okay.
And search is equal to we are giving from the where in the WebRig save param. Here we have the scope is equal to body or header we can do. So some minimal difference will be there. Okay. Okay. So I'm stopping.